window. Have you ever wondered the paper cup at your home can change into a dress changing paper doll? Wait back and watch the entire video to know all about different DIY paper cup ideas. Materials needed are brush pens, paper cups, Fevicol, markers, pencil, detail knife and a scissor. Take two paper cups, place them one upon the other. Now you need to make the dress outline on the above one. Don't forget the hands and the neck. Now take the detail knife and make a cutout for the dress. Be careful as these paper cups are quite delicate. As you can notice, our cutout is almost ready. Now remove the cup from below. And slowly you can find the dress. Take the thin marker and make the outline for the neck and the hands. Be careful. It's better to place a cup under it to get firmness. Now it's time to outline the entire dress cutout. You can now use a brush pen for the outline. Let it dry for 2 minutes. Till the time it dries, take a small piece of chart paper, fold it into half, and paste it using Fevicol. Now let's make the face for a cute dress changer doll. It's time to use the brush pens now. First, let's make the outline. done with the face, don't forget her little crown. I'm making it here so that we can later get the cutout. Now use the detail knife for cutting the head and the crown part. Stick the crown on the head. And let it to dry now. Till then, let's color the neck and the hands part. Take a plain paper cup, place it below our cutout, and you will get two areas. Name it one, and when you flip it, you get the other part of the dress. Let's make a pink and red dress for our dress changer doll. Use the brush pen. Polka dots. Let's try it on the cutout. It's looking pretty, isn't it? On the other side, let's make a rainbow design. Let's check how does it fit on our cutout. Wow! It's looking beautiful, isn't it? The dress changer doll is almost ready. Now let's stick the head of the princess doll using Fevicol. Our dress changing paper doll is ready. If you like the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Till then, goodbye.